baby.
Kansas.
Aye!
Oh, fucking hell.
Did you hit a rock?
Yeah.
You're kidding, let me see.
Oh.
You bleeding?
Yeah.
Yeah, God damn it. Here, come out, let me see. Did you? Oh, Jacob, you couldn't be any less sexual right now with that fucking shirt.
Alright, T, tell me when.
I think we should do just a dash.
Just a dash?
Just a shot or two.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That was not a lot of
Your face every time.
There goes my GoPro. We're using yours, bud.
quality.
Woo! We love and miss you, Bo! Let's give a shout out to Bo. Jay, what you gotta say?
Yeah, we love him. We feel horrible, but you know, life's life. You gotta suck it up and walk it off, dog. Walk it
Wow, I'm gonna clip that in the worst way possible.
I guarantee he will never dive into a shallow fucking lake again.
I fucking
guarantee it.
And first of all, I don't think Bo's ever gonna come to fucking Kansas ever again. Secondly, I'm pretty sure he chipped that rock, old Dino Dome, dude. That rock ain't gonna stop Bo. He's good.
Bryce, what you gotta say about it? No. Give a shout out to Bo.
Strongest man I've ever seen in my life.
We love you, Bo. Jay, tell us what happened to Bo, though.
He's a good man. He fucking loves shallow diving. His whole life, our dad, for sure. For some reason, taught his kids how to shallow dive.
What's the verdict?
He f***ed himself. He's got a fractured neck.
He's got a fractured neck.
He's okay though. Damn it, Bo. You f***ed the pooch on this one, bud. Alright, this one's for Bo.
Bo?
Fucking poor guy.
Cheers.
Love you.
Cheers to the camera.
Cheers. Come on, Captain Zach.
Don't give up on Bo, you piece of shit.
Don't you dare. Dude,
Don't you He broke his neck for you!
Yeah.
My man!
2 cups. That was your second one.
Dude, look how it landed, though.
You didn't finish yours? You were filming me. Yeah, come on.
I had to make sure I was
Didn't fool you.
Oh, get out of there, dog. I'm about to go get another drink. I'm hammered.
I hope he's able to come out here soon.
I know, I want to meet that dude. Dude, I can't believe Bo broke his neck, dog. Bro, we heard there was hella poison oak at the last place. Honestly, if it's poison, we'll find out tomorrow. Let's just walk through it.
I mean, it's kind of getting warmer out, and you know, real poisonous spiders like you kick at wood piles.
True.
Oh, there's actually no poisonous spiders in Kansas.
Oh, yeah. Hang on. Hang on. Don't do it for me. Ah! TJ, you just dropped
There was a bat. There was a bat on my back, dude.
If I didn't move my foot, I was going in my
There's so many fucking bugs.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Is it recording?
Yes.
Yeah. We're shotgunning to Bo's
Fractured
terrible
neck.
crisis situation and Sheila being lost, and we're gonna come find you. I promise, we're not that drunk.
And Bo, we love you.
I've broken promises before. That was so disgusting. I want to be a vlogger. Don't let that fucking queso burn up. I'll kill all of you.
Because I really didn't even really want to be a part of that shotgun anyways.
Hey, please get the kid. We done sunk this bitch. We're in the middle of BFE. 30 miles out, baby. Jesus. T, how you doing back there, bud?
As good as I can, baby.
Let's go. Come on, we got it. Come to Kansas, they said. It'll be so much fun, they said. We are 100%. This is sunk.
Oh, I love that.
Did you really? TJ, did you really? Where's it at? Oh, it's right there. Oh, yeah.
I'll get it.
Fucking dummy. Go jump out and swim.
Oh.
We're in 3 feet of water.
Oh, good thing I was wearing my sweatpants.
Oh my
There's my
gosh.
pajamas, baby.
Our campground is way down there. There's the algae we're supposed to stay far the fuck away from. Well, we're all gonna wake up sicker than a fucking dog tomorrow.
Good shit, boys, for real.
Bro, we were on the other side of the fucking lake. All right, we got anything? Apparently not. We lost everything.
Lost everything, baby.
We lost everything.
Hey.
Told you. Keep calm, we'll make it. We got it.
I got that algae on my hands.
Do you? Good times, boys. We survived. We made it. Thumbnails, busted skull, and flipped a canoe.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Not good?
Mom, bad. We gotta come in.
Sorry.
Hey, you're good. Let's go up here. Yeah, you took a chunk out of your forehead, bud.
Oh, there's a bandana in there.
Dude. No, it's not your fault, bro. What the f? Damn, dude. Sorry, bud.
Morning.
Hey.
Robert De Niro.
Just yawned in that fucking sub. And he like flexing of my neck muscles.
What's up, big guy?
You can hug a little tighter if you want. How you feeling, big guy? You know. Fucking top of my head. Dude. Fuck yeah.
Oh my god.
So is it fucking like there's a they had the fucking whole flap. They're like it's probably like that skin might die and just completely scab over.
Yeah.
Because it was like purple by the time they got to it.
Looks like a piece of jerky.
Yeah.
I don't ever wanna